A vehicle's exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR valve, does exactly what its name implies. It recirculates exhaust gas into the cylinder. The purpose of the EGR valve is to reduce NOx, or oxides of nitrogen, emissions. EGR valves have become less common with increased use of variable valve timing systems. But as more manufacturers move to higher compression turbocharged engines, EGR valves are seeing a bit of a comeback. When conditions are right within the engine, the EGR valve is opened electronically on newer vehicles or by vacuum on older models, allowing hot gas to leave the exhaust, travel through the EGR valve, and enter back into the engine from within the intake manifold. At around 2400 degrees Fahrenheit, NOx gas is created. By pulling hot exhaust gas back into the cylinder, the temperature is reduced below that 2400 degree mark. The exhaust gas is inert, meaning it has little to no oxygen or fuel molecules in it, so it takes up room and doesn't allow as much oxygen and fuel into the cylinder. This results in a slower burning combustion event that produces less energy and heat, resulting in lower cylinder temperatures and a reduction of NOx emissions. EGR valve failure commonly happens for three reasons: heat, vibration, and carbon buildup. Since they're mounted on the engine, EGR valves are constantly subjected to the engine's heat and vibration, not to mention that hot exhaust gas that flows through the valve, which contains carbon as well. The carbon can stick inside the valve, which can cause the valve to stick open and also build up enough carbon to create blockages. So it's important to inspect an EGR valve's connecting pipes for blockages as well. A valve that sticks open can cause an engine to run rough and possibly create an engine stalling condition. A valve that doesn't open or has a blockage will raise cylinder temperature and allow the formation of NOx, possibly resulting in drivability symptoms like a rough idle or reduced fuel economy. Carquest Vehicle Solutions EGR valves are built by manufacturers using extensive research, testing, and validation to ensure that they can stand up to heat, vibration, and carbon. To help reduce the ability for carbon to stick, many EGR valves feature a pintle coated with a Teflon-like material. For EGR valves that feature a position sensor, upgraded sensor components that contain thicker traces and more robust contacts are used to protect from heat and vibration. To deliver optimal performance and long life, Carquest Vehicle Solutions EGR valves undergo a variety of electrical, thermal shock, corrosion, and vibration tests. By testing above and beyond what they would experience on a vehicle, they can more than handle the extreme temperatures, vibration, and harsh environments an EGR valve might see. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality parts.